Kay the New Engine have just arrived on the island of Sodor. Last week, Thomas tried to film Kay, but Thomas's camera batteries have run out. So Thomas told Kay we need to wait for the next time, and this is a story about him. Kay's branch line runs from Knapfoot Junction to the Vickerstown station, where they had to cross an airy bridge. Kay had a truck of his own, and the truck's name is Zill. Zill is a very popular truck, not troublesome, not a laugher, not a jokester. One day, while Kay is working on his branch line, the bridge became very wobbly. Instead of Kay passing through safely, he ran into a bit of a problem. Dun, dun, dun. Zill! Kay! I'm wet! And I don't like being wet. I'm made out of wood! Oh no, I must get some help. So Kay left and returned with, "Have no fear, Sandy and Carly will make your problems disappear." Still, don't worry. These waters are very still and very dirty. Zill, we must get you out of there quick. Zidson, I've got you. There you go, Kay. There you go, Zill. Oh, nice and new. Oh my, you're just covered in mud. Yes, I'm fine, Sandy. Okay, why do you send these rescuers so long? Oh, I'm sorry, Zill. I don't mean it to get muddy. Kay is not happy. So from now on, the workmen need to rebuild the track. So they took off some pieces. The workmen hadn't started building it until 3 weeks. So once again, two weeks have passed. Kay is driving along. Alright, now we just need to switch the points. On! Zill! Don't! No! Kay brake hard. But it was too late. Zill uncouples from Kay and lets Kay flying down the river. Help! Oh no. How do you like that water? And soon, Kay started singing. That got rid of him. Soon, Sandy arrived in her boat. She found Kay. All right there, Kay? Oh no. The water must have gone through his boiler and melted his hole down. Oh, and look, his funnels are bent. Oh no, this is a real rescue mission. Hello, Kay, my friend. Hello, Victor. Oh, my. What's wrong with you? Fell into a dirty and hot ditch. Oh, so that's why you are acting strange. Let me take a look at you. Ay, caramba! This is a bad problem. I know, Victor. We couldn't fix you until you are taken apart, my friend. What? I'm afraid this has had to go worse. Okay. Later. We've checked all of you, my friend. Yes, Victor, I know. But first we need to take you apart. Ding ding. Oh, what? Later on, there was nothing left. It took 2 months for Victor to repair and build Kay again. But now, Kay wasn't able to run properly. The ditch water had fell into his boiler and melted down. Okay, I best get going. Be careful, Kay. I will, Victor. I can't go. That's because your cylinder is melted. I guess we need to replace you with another engine. But what engine, Victor? I don't know yet, my friend. I guess we'll find out in the next video.